Hello and thank you for visiting my channel. This is Alpena from Bulgarian Mama's Cooking, and today we are making chocolate mini cheesecakes. And before we go further with the video, if you are interested in video recipes like this one and you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna combine some finely chopped digestive biscuits with some melted butter, and there will be an exact list of ingredients and proportions in description, so be sure to check it out. And now that everything is well combined, I'm going to divide it in between the 12 cavities of my muffin pan, and I am also placing liners inside as well. And the next thing is to press the biscuits towards the bottom of the pan, and then we're gonna leave that on the side. Next, the chocolate needs to be melted. I'm going to use my microwave. If you prefer to do it over a pan with hot boiling water, you can definitely do so, but if you do it on the microwave, be sure to give it a good stir every 10 to 15 seconds so that the chocolate doesn't burn. And then I'm gonna combine some mascarpone cheese and cream cheese on my stand mixer. To that, I'm adding a little bit of sour cream and then gradually adding some agave syrup. You can also add some honey or maple syrup if you prefer. I'm also adding some vanilla bean powder, and if you prefer to use vanilla extract, you can definitely do so. And then I'm also adding some salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, but you can definitely use just a regular sea salt. And now that the cream cheese mixture is ready, it is time to combine it with the chocolate. Start stirring immediately after you add the chocolate, because if you wait a little bit, the chocolate may harden, and that's just gonna make it difficult for both to combine well. Mix just until combined and then stop. In a separate bowl, whisk up 2 large eggs and then combine them with the chocolate mixture. I don't recommend that you use a mixer to combine the eggs and the cream cheese chocolate filling. I recommend that you use a spatula and you start folding everything together just until the eggs are well incorporated. And then the consistency should be beautiful, silky and fluffy like this one. Use an ice cream scoop to divide it in between the 12 pan cavities, and then give the pan a gentle shake so that everything can even out. Bake at 284 degrees by Fahrenheit or until everything around the center looks fully set. And here comes the hardest part of the recipe. When you take the cheesecakes out of the oven, it is important that you let them cool down and then you put them in the fridge for at least 8 hours. Better overnight. Cheesecake is one of those desserts that gets better and better with time, so definitely give it time to fully set and rest a little bit in your fridge. And finally, the cheesecakes are fully set and they're ready to be served. Before I serve, I will decorate with some chocolate ganache and chocolate chip, but if you have another idea and you want to use your imagination to decorate upon your liking, then feel free to do so. And here is what you can expect next on my channel: mini chocolate tarts with no added sugar. And in the video recipe, I will include how to make those beautiful tart shells as well. Thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama's Cooking. If you have not yet and you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on so that you know every time when I post a new video, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye for now!